Hello everyone, Bethany here. Today we are going to have a look at some containers by Bead Storage Solutions, designed by Elizabeth Ward. Are you ready to see? I am, so let's have a look. Ta-da! So here we have I ended up ordering two different sizes. So we have the tiny container bead storage tray and the assorted bead storage tray. Bead storage or beads are not included is what it says right here. Can you imagine? Okay, so I'm not sure which one I want to look at first, but the reason I bought these was to organize my diamonds and some of my diamond painting supplies, smaller things like multi-placers and stuff like that. Of course, you can use them for anything that's little. You can use them for beads, obviously. You can use them for findings, other crafty things like sequins and little baubles, rocks. I do some rock painting, so I could see some good use for these. If I like them, I may end up buying more. They're a little bit more on the expensive side, but I've seen a lot of diamond painters using these storage trays, so I really wanted to try them out. I bought these on Amazon. If you do an Amazon search for Bead Storage Solutions or Elizabeth Ward containers, they'll come up. I'm not going to put a link in the description because there are various sellers, and I had to kind of search a little bit to find what I wanted. So I don't want to put a link in that ends up disappearing or that isn't quite what you guys are looking for. So this one comes wrapped in this foamy sleeve, which is kind of nice. It's kind of puffed up, but as you can see, they have little latches on the side. Looks like it comes with removable bonus labels. So these are for labeling if you want to use those for that. Okay. They're kind of loose in here, which I guess is good it makes it a little bit easier to grab them. I'm not sure. I don't think it needs to be quite as loose as it is. Let's pull one out and have a look. So you'd want to put your label on the bottom. Honestly, I'm not sure. I'm not sure the best way to open it. Maybe this way. Okay. All right, so it flips open from the side. I think this little groove here is for pulling it out easier. But honestly, I don't know why there's so much space between all these, if they have that. And it kind of, I don't know how I feel about that. So yeah, you lift up on the side, opens up. These are nice. I do like these smaller ones. I'm eager to try them out. I do like the idea of various sizes as well. So let's go ahead and open up the other one. Well, first I want to see if there's any sort of descriptions on this one. Okay, so it's 82 pieces. These ones are all the same size. The storage tray container itself is 13.75 inches by 10.5 inches by 1.75 inches, or 34.92 centimeters by 26.67 centimeters by 4.45 centimeters. Like I said, the brand on this is Bead Storage Solutions. They're transparent, which is really nice because you can see the contents that are inside. The lid is transparent, so you can see them without it being open. On here says transparent storage solution. Spend less time searching, more time for crafting. Save space. Compact storage solution for small components. Easy cleanup. All jewelry crafted materials have a home in our self-stacking trays and bins. On the back, it shows you other products of theirs. So they do have storage containers in 4 sizes, which is large, medium, small, and tiny. This one is all of the tiny ones. This up here is what we're going to look at next. It's the other one I bought. It's an assorted bead storage tray. And another thing, which I will show you when I open this other one, is it sounds like that they will stack on each of the. So I guess we'll find out. The outside of this box looks pretty much identical to the other one, except for that the picture of the product is different because, well, the product is different. Alright, so this one also has a foam sleeve. Oh yeah, that stacks really nicely on the other one. So that's definitely a bonus. I was kind of worried how well it would stack with the latches the way that they are, but it stacks pretty good. I mean, you're not going to want to shake it around a whole bunch, but it holds up on there pretty well. And if you're just storing them on a shelf or something, I mean, it's not necessary that it's like completely compact on there, is it? Okay. So this one also comes with your removable bonus labels. It only has one because there's not as many in there. This one has 45 pieces. So as you can see, you have your tiny ones on this side, small, medium, and large. This is kind of my OCD is kind of bothering me. With the looseness of all these in there, they kind of they're not just evenly lined up, which I like things to be evenly lined up, so it's kind of, personally it throws me off a little bit. So one of the cool things about this is you can mix and match, and I think this is why it's a popular storage system for diamond painters, because say you have a little bit of diamonds of one color, a lot of diamonds of another color. Say I want some more tiny ones, I can just take however many out that I need for those, and I can replace them with a different size, and they all fit together just awesomely. You can mix and match them. Say you want a bigger one in the middle, you can do that. So they don't have to be all in a particular order. You can arrange them however you want, which I think is really cool also. Open it on the side. They're a little bit difficult to open. I think maybe there's a learning curve, which sounds so silly for a container, but I think once you get it down, it's not so bad. And it's nice that they're difficult to open because you don't want your contents spilling all over the place. So I'm going to try putting some diamonds in there, see what it looks like, I think. Yeah, those are really nice. I'll be right back. I'm back. So I have some diamonds from a project that I'm currently working on. I'm gonna pour them in here. This order came at a good time because these ones I didn't particularly have anything to put them in, so I may end up keeping this in. So as you can see, I mean, there's a lot of space left in there, and that was quite a bit of diamonds actually. So I think I did good by ordering the tiny ones for the majority of my diamonds. So when they go in there, you'll see them in there, and I think this will look really neat with a whole bunch of them. You'll be able to see all the colors you want. So yeah, I'm excited about this purchase. I think it was a good one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if this is something that you think would be helpful for your crafting needs. I am going to try this out and get a better idea of what I think, but my initial impressions are that these are pretty awesome. Alright guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your support. Bye.